The Second Amendment's history is a journey from its roots in English common law to its current status as a protected individual right. Originally conceived to balance federal power and maintain state militias, its interpretation has evolved significantly through key Supreme Court rulings. 1. Historical origins. Pre-1791 English influence. The amendment drew heavily from the English Bill of Rights of 1689, which protected the right of Protestant subjects to have arms for their defense. Revolutionary experience. The British attempt to seize colonial weapons at Lexington and Concord in 1775 solidified the founders' belief that an armed populace was essential to resisting tyranny. The federalism debate. After the Revolution, anti-federalists feared the new Constitution gave the federal government too much power over a standing army. James Madison drafted the amendment to ensure state militias could act as a check against federal overreach. 2. Early interpretation. 1791 to 2008 ratification. 1791. The amendment was ratified as part of the Bill of Rights. For over a century, it was rarely invoked in federal courts. Limited scope. Early rulings like United States v. Cruikshank 1876 held that the amendment only restricted the federal government, not state governments. Militia focus. In United States v. Miller 1939. The Supreme Court suggested the right was tied to the preservation or efficiency of a well-regulated militia, upholding a ban on sawed-off shotguns because they had no reasonable relationship to militia service. 3. Modern jurisprudence. 2008 present. The 21st century brought significant shifts in the amendment's application. The Supreme Court recognized an individual's right to possess firearms for self-defense at home in District of Columbia v. Heller 2008. McDonald v. City of Chicago 2010 extended this individual right to state and local governments. NYSERPA v. Brune 2020 to affirm the right to carry firearms in public and introduced a history and tradition standard for evaluating gun laws. United States v. Wahimi 2020 for further clarified the Brune test.